Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your living arrangements with HousingAnywhere, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin upgrading your living arrangements, first, visit the HousingAnywhere website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your details to get started on your housing journey. Once logged in, use the search bar to enter your desired location. Refine your search using filters for price, type of accommodation, and amenities. Review the listings that match your criteria. Click on any property to view more details, including photos and descriptions. Take note of the rental terms and conditions provided. If a listing interests you, check for host reviews and ratings for credibility. Next, reach out to the host directly through the platform's messaging system. Ask any questions you may have regarding the property or the rental agreement. If the property meets your needs, initiate the booking process. Follow the prompts to confirm your reservation. Make sure to review the payment options available to you. After booking, keep an eye on your inbox for any communication from the host. Once you receive confirmation, prepare for your move by creating a checklist. Research the area around your new home to familiarize yourself with amenities and transportation options. After moving in, take the time to connect with your neighbors. Enjoy your new living arrangements and make the most of your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.